Hey everyone, how you doing today? Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm without my Joan. And hopefully this is going to go well. I'm here today to take the beaded wrap bracelet that we started I think about a week ago. Um, off the loom and to do just a really simple closure. And so I'm pretty excited about it because I can't wait to wear this wrap bracelet. It is so beautiful. I used the 5 millimeter fire polish beads that I have. Got a couple different assortments and they are beautiful. So there's some lots of sparkle and just lots of different color palettes and some that are transparent. They're gorgeous. Anyway, here's my little bag that I've been working from. So you can find those on the jewelloom.com site. Oh, always great when you clean your glasses and you can see. All right, listen, I'm hoping that this is all going well and that there's no feedback and all that good groovy stuff. And so without any further ado, I am going to add my overhead to the stream. And I'm not hearing anything as far as like feedback. So perhaps we're good, I hope. So here is here is the loom. And as you can see, got it all beaded. So fun to make, and it was really relaxing, and it came together very, very quickly. But look at all of those different shades of the pink and the lavender, and then everything has like a little touch of some sort of pink tone to it, but it's not like super in your face pink. It's just really, really gorgeous. So I'm really loving this. Okay, I am let me see, where'd my scissors go? Okay. So I'm going to, let me just get the bottom of the loom, and I'm just going to snip right here at the end. Okay, perfect. And then I should just be able to, I love working with the large wisdom warrior, but taping sometimes it's like, oh, I just wish I had a crew. Someday, you never know. Okay, so let's see. We're going to take, so what we got to do is we've got to make a loop that's going to accommodate the closure, right? So let me bring this up to the camera here. Very cool. And I want to make sure that it's actually flat and then I'm not going to do the loop. So I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to give it a little, I'm going to get rid of this longer piece. I know it's going to drive me a little crazy. So I'm just going to make a little knot here. And I don't want to pull too tight. I feel like I've got a good guesstimate on how big I need this loop to be for that button. But if I have to undo it, I also don't want it to be so tight that, I can't get it undone. So I'm just going to do that ever so loosely. And then I'm going to come over to the other end. Let me bring this over. And what I want to do is I want to secure the button into place. So I'm just going to do some knots. I'm going to do one simple knot. And then I'm going to come back and let's see if I can't do like a little loop knot here. And then I'm just going to push that all the way down. This one I definitely want to get tight because it's already what it is, right? I don't need to have any leeway to adjust. I just want to get it really nice and secure. So that's good. And then what I'll do is I'll place it on my wrist. And then let's wrap this around. I keep it flat here. Oh my goodness, beautiful. So, oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh my heck. Okay. Love. And then we're just going to take the loop. Bear with me here because I kind of have to do these things in the air and not lose it. Okay, so that looks really good. So I could probably tighten that up a little bit. And then loosen it up so that it's not, like, super, super tight. Oh my okay, I can't. I just love this so very, very, very much. So again, these are fire polished from the, 29 piece 5 millimeter fire polish assortment. They're also in the 12 piece, and I used 7 different colors. And then this is the vintage button. There are 2 um, that come in a bag. Oh my gosh, I am so stinking in love. I don't want it to get blurry, so I'm just kinda holding it. Wow. Hey, listen, if you didn't watch part 1, you definitely wanna go back and do that. That's here on the YouTube channel as well. And yeah, and I used the large Wisdom Warrior, and I used, 5 mil not 5 millimeter, point 0.5, dark purple hemp teak. It's my most favorite hemp cord. It's very sustainable, beautiful family-owned company, and, I know them, and they're just really delicious folks. And they have oodles of different, colors of hemp, and then, of course, the vintage button. This is a glass vintage, button. Look at the shine. Did you see that? Did you just capture that? And then, of course, the 5 millimeter fire polish, and I used pink wildfire. And then basically just my hand tools, scissors, and a jewel loom needle. And so, oh, I'm so happy. Oh, it just keeps twinkling. Keeps twinkling. Oh my goodness. All right, well, that's it. Quick and easy live today. Today happens to be July 4th here in the States, in the US, and so, hopefully you're out enjoying the day and barbecuing and just having fun with friends and family or whoever you choose to be with, even if it's you. And, let's just be happy and create stuff and eat good food. Yeah, we need to do that, so and we gotta bead, we gotta weave. What is life without weaving? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be walking around like this all day today. Hello. Hello. All right. Thank you for spending the time with me, and, I'm gonna remove that now and come into full focus. And yeah, I was standing the whole entire time. Hey, have a beautifully blessed week, and I will see you again. And don't forget, Jewel Loom Live is on Tuesdays and Thursdays now. Yeah, pretty cool, right? And yeah, okay. Have a great day, and I will see you again.